Hello guys, and welcome back again to another also tutorial. In this video I will show you how to link your songs and also public chat. So where or when do you need this option to do it? Well, basically there is three conditions or three things that will obligate you to do this stuff, which is the first one. Like for example, you were playing with a friend and you both don't have the same map, so you need to send the song to your friend. The second one, which is inviting people, like going into a random like for example, play multi and joining a game, quick join. That will make you join like a random room, and you will not know these people. So what you will have to do to play together, to send your song and suggest it to them. The third one, which is if you were a bitmap maker and you wanted your bitmap to go like famous or like something like that, you can do this method by just like going to multi and keep joining random rooms and keep sharing your link, your song link in the chat. So for example, how can you do it? First of all, let's open our browser or anything else. For example, let's open this one, and as you can see from here, we'll go to also and open the website. As you can see, I'm connected, and from here, if you have your own bitmaps, you can just go and get its link. If not, you can just go to a random like bitmap from here. For example, you want to play with a friend, this map in here, you can just go to it and click here, press on Ctrl C or click right and copy, and then go to also, and for example you can paste it in this public chat in here, or just clicking on this person, for example, start chat, and from here you can send it to him in the chat as well. So that was just with this tutorial for today, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.